Hi, I'm laurelbeard. I am all about quirky crafting for the curious creative because I believe art shouldn't be so serious. It should be fun. I began my crafting 15 years ago when I created what I thought was a brilliant creative piece, some patterned paper, Mod Podged over a clipboard for a teacher's gift. I thought I was something else, but just that little bit of thinking of doing something different to that clipboard opened my eyes to something. I began getting on YouTube and somehow stumbled onto the world of card making. I couldn't tell you how I did it or why I even got there, but I did. And that's where it started, right at my dining room table with some cardstock, stamps, and a few ink pads. Over the years, it evolved into something far more than just art. It became a part of me, something that gave me self-confidence, an escape. By nature, I am a socially anxious person. The thought of being in a room with a ton of people scares me. But with crafting, I can do it and connect at the same time. Some of my best friends in the world I met virtually through crafting. And fast forward to today, I believe art can be a hobby, a family, a retreat, a place of self-worth and confidence. Art shouldn't be so serious. You don't have to have training or a certain skill set or following to make art. It simply starts with a place to go. And that's what I hope to bring you, a place to go, to come, hang out, let's explore together, and let's build a friendship together, and let's have fun together, all while creating art in a relaxing and welcoming environment. Hit that subscribe button and come to my channel, come into my family. I can't wait to meet you.